You're not taking your shoes?
I'm not.
Okay, here we go.
Yeah, thanks. Put it all on my end.
On top of that, we're taking your kayak.
I am excited to see. Yeah, mine is always heavier.
It is.
The Beatles.
We think it's going to be
I'm excited to see the Beatles. It's going to be fun.
Well, it's not the real Beatles.
Obviously. If it were, there would be more to the show.
Yeah.
Did you almost trip?
So Joey, how does it feel back to be back in San Diego?
I hate it when she does that.
Feels like home. Feels exactly like it needs to feel.
Okay.
Up to you.
Okay.